Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Silent Hurry. It's been a real long time since I've posted on here. I just been working my butt off of my job, doing my real-time job right now and just saving money, which is no excuse, guys. But I should make an attempt either way. But everything I still have is still there on Robinhood. Um, just been putting money towards that every payday. Same with my high yield savings account. Small percentage of that and goes into that and Robinhood, uh, along with my retire uh, retirement account. Um, no news front on there. Everything is automatic. Some X amount goes there, then I buy so many shares with, or fractional shares, I mean, with whatever I'm doing with it. Trump was elected, woohoo. Sorry, I'm not a big political guy, so don't take me like anti-Trump or not. I'm just not political, so I don't care either way. Well, I do care because we're losing money with his tariffs and trade wars and all that. It's costing us money in the long run, but they just don't see it yet. Um, so with that note, instead of dealing with that, I've been dealing with Pokemon cards. You heard me. Diversifying some of my funds to that, or collectible cards as well, just not Pokemon. But been buying on eBay, whatnot, local card stores, and so been getting back into that. And I'm like, okay, some of these cards can make some decent money if you pay attention to it. And so just buying low, selling high, kind of like we do here in the stock market world and financial world, guys. But not real big gains here or there, but if you can make some money, if you buy bulk cards of a certain card and just sell them here and there. One of the places I like to look at is a TCG player online. They let you look at prices on cards for English, Japanese. So I'm thinking about getting a side hustle going for that, setting up a little shop and make some money that way. Um, Same with eBay and whatnot. Sell some of the stuff I have to make more money so we could keep the cycle going of making money. It's the ever ending wheel, you know, just go and make money, go to make money, go to make money. Um, it's not necessarily safe making money that way because you got people ripping people off on whatnot, but buyer beware, just kind of like what we do. You might buy a stock today and it tanks tomorrow. Same thing with Pokemon cards. You might give the seller $50 online and he buys a, you buy a pack or whatever, however much you spent on it, and he keeps the card that's worth $800-900 and you're just screwed. But that's a different video. But for me, I just been setting up a channel on that. It's called Fred's Card Corner. I'll put a link up there somewhere. So if you feel free, want to check it out, come see me. I'm usually there lately, trying to get that project going. Visiting local card shops around my area. Some of them are cool, some of them are not. Um, in the Wichita area, there's a few I've been to and a few I won't go to just because I know the owner. Um, but there's an Oliver one that is phenomenal. They're mainly autographs, sport cards, anything. They got a small Pokemon selection. I just like it because it's by my work and I can hit it up after work if I have time. But, just hang out, chill, say hi, drop a like or something if you happen to check out that channel. Like I said, I'll post a link up there and you can see some of the buys I've made on there, some of the people I've reviewed, some of the funny videos I made. Gotta have some fun in the world, not always serious. But other than that, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful night. Um, Come see me, check it out, let us know what you think.